What's up guys, earlier today a huge Galaxy S10 e-leak revealed a bit more about the entry-level Galaxy S10 model. Fast forward some hours later, there are 3 major leaks that all broke out around the same time and they are all related to the Galaxy S10 Plus. Number 1, the phone appeared in several new live photos. Number 2, a bunch of new renders of the phone have leaked. Number 3, the Galaxy S10 Plus would be able to wirelessly charge a new product, Samsung's Galaxy Buds. So let's take a look at the live images first. On Twitter, Saudi Android posted 4 hands-on images of the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus. That confirms many previous rumors. For starters, the in-display fingerprint scanner is a sure feature for both the S10 and the S10 Plus. S10e has one embedded in the power key. Also, both of the devices have triple camera setups on the back. So next up, MinFuture published a huge gallery of Galaxy S10 renders in black, white and green. The white model looks to be a kind of hyper-reflective, maybe pearl white. And MinFuture also included a side-by-side render of ceramic black and prism black. One is matte and other is glossy, respectively. In addition, the same report shows us visual scale difference in size between the regular Galaxy S10 and the larger Galaxy S10 Plus. Finally, WinFuture posted a render of the new pair of totally wireless earbuds sitting on the rear of the Galaxy S10 Plus, confirming that the largest tire of the phone will have a reverse wireless charging feature like that of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The wireless earbuds themselves look like much refined over Samsung's Gear Icon X and could succeed them with the name Samsung Galaxy Buds. The Buds case could feature wireless charging compatibility as seen in this render. The case's green LED are illuminated, indicating that the case and Buds are indeed charging. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are rumored to cost around €149, are positioned to compete directly against Apple's wireless AirPods. Samsung is going to have a very long event if it plans to announce 3 Galaxy S10 variants: the Galaxy Buds, a Galaxy Sports smartwatch, and a foldable Galaxy F smartphone. This is going to be the biggest Samsung Unpacked event in a while, and it will go down on Feb 20 in San Francisco. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.